Hello, welcome back to the Tech Plug channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that often gets overlooked but is actually the cherry on top of any awesome gaming setup: gaming chairs. I mean, let's face it, gaming is a hobby that we usually enjoy while sitting down, whether we're playing on a PC or consoles. And while there are plenty of high-end gaming chairs out there that cost a fortune, we're going to focus on the ones that won't break the bank. Believe it or not, there are some really fantastic gaming chairs available for under $100. These chairs not only come with the features you want, but they also throw in a few surprises you didn't even know you needed. So, let's dive in and check out some of the best gaming chairs that won't empty your wallet. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5, we have the Best Choice Products Swivel Gaming Chair. If you're looking for a cozy and versatile chair for all your leisure activity, this one might just be the perfect fit for you. Best Choice Products has designed this gaming chair with comfort in mind. Whether you're gaming, reading, streaming, or even taking a quick nap, this chair has got you covered. It features high-density sponge seating, which ensures that you can sink into a plush and comfortable experience. Plus, with its 5 reclining positions, you can easily find the perfect angle to kick back and relax. This chair has dimensions of 12 inches in length, 21 inches in width, and 29 inches in height. It weighs around 28.7 pounds and can support a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. So, it's sturdy enough to accommodate most users without any issues. And here's the fun part. It comes in a range of vibrant colors such as gray, beige, blue, green, orange, purple, and red. You can pick the one that matches your style or gaming setup. First off, as I mentioned earlier, the high-density sponge seating provides excellent comfort. It's like sitting on a cloud. The 5 reclining positions allow you to find the perfect angle for your activity, whether you're playing games or just chilling. And guess what? It even comes with a built-in cup holder, so you can keep your favorite beverage within arm's reach while you're fully immersed in your game. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's move on to the cons of this chair. One thing to keep in mind is that this chair lacks a bit of polish. It's not as refined or sleek looking as some other chairs in its class. So, if aesthetics are a top priority for you, this might not be the best choice. Also, it's important to note that this chair is strictly designed for leisure activity. It's not suitable for serious business or as a desk chair, mainly because it sits quite low to the ground. That being said, if you're in the market for a chair that's perfect for gaming, reading, or just chilling out, the Best Choice Products Swivel Gaming Chair is definitely worth considering. Its solid steel frame base provides mobility and allows for easy swiveling. The high-density mesh fabric is not only comfortable but also breathable, ensuring that you won't feel stuffy or sweaty after hours of use. And let's not forget that it conveniently collapses for storage when you're not using it. At number 4, we have the Furmax Gaming Chair. Now, if you're on a tight budget but still want a comfortable gaming chair, this one is definitely worth considering. First things first, let's talk about the price. The Furmax Gaming Chair is incredibly affordable, coming in at under $100. Yeah, you heard that right. It's a budget-friendly option that won't break the bank. So, if you're looking for a great entry-level gaming chair, this could be the one for you. The dimensions of this chair are 23 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 33 inches in height. It weighs around 28.7 pounds and has a maximum weight capacity of 280 pounds. So, it should be suitable for most gamers out there. When it comes to colors, the Furmax Gaming Chair offers some variety. You can choose from 5 different colors: red, black, blue, gray, and white. So, you can pick the one that matches your gaming setup or personal style. First off, it's comfortable and breathable. The seat material allows for good airflow, so you won't get all sweaty during those intense gaming sessions. It also features a smooth swivel and floor-friendly wheels, which means you can easily move around without worrying about damaging your floor. And of course, one of the biggest pros is its affordability. For the price, you're getting a decent gaming chair that gets the job done. The one downside of the Furmax Gaming Chair is its assembly. It can be a bit annoying to put together, requiring more time, effort, and maybe even a little frustration. But hey, considering the price point, I guess we can't expect it to be a breeze to assemble. At number 3, we have the X-Rocker Galaxy 2.0 Floor Rocker Gaming Chair. This chair is a must-have if you're serious about your console gaming experience. What sets the X-Rocker Galaxy Floor Chair apart from the rest is its built-in speakers. Yes, you heard that right. It has powerful Bluetooth speakers integrated into the chair, which means you can immerse yourself in your games with incredible sound quality. It's like having a personal sound system right next to your ears. Say goodbye to regular speakers or headphones because this chair takes your audio experience to a whole new level. It measures 33.46 inches in length, 25.59 inches in width, and 16.14 inches in height. It weighs 22.1 pounds, making it relatively lightweight and easy to move around. The available color is a cool galaxy design that adds a touch of style to your gaming setup. The maximum weight capacity is not specified, but it should comfortably accommodate most gamers. First, the built-in Bluetooth speakers deliver powerful sound, ensuring you don't miss any of the action. Second, it features a foldable design, which is super convenient if you have limited space or if you want to transport it to a friend's house for a gaming session. And last but not least, this chair rocks and reclines, providing optimal comfort during those intense gaming sessions. The X-Rocker Galaxy chair is designed more for smaller gamers. If you're on the taller side, you might find it a bit too snug for your liking. So keep that in mind before making your purchase. Now, let's talk about the overall vibe of this chair. It screams 90s nostalgia with its retro form and function. It's not just a gaming chair, it's a statement piece that adds a touch of cool to your gaming setup. Its design takes you back to the days of arcade halls, with the iconic wall art and the sounds of tokens clanging in the background. It's a chair that oozes personality and adds a unique aesthetic to your gaming space. At number 2, we have the SMUG gaming chair. Yeah, you heard that right. This gaming chair pulls double duty and makes for a solid seat in your home office. Let's dive into the details. The SMUG gaming chair measures 18.5 inches in length, 19.88 inches in width, and 45.87 inches in height. It weighs about 33 pounds, which makes it quite sturdy. You can choose from a range of attractive colors, including red, black, blue, gray, and white. Plus, it can handle a maximum weight capacity of 278 pounds. That's pretty impressive for a chair in this price range. One of the standout features is its gorgeous shiny finish. It looks sleek and stylish, which can really enhance the aesthetics of your workspace. Another great thing is that it's easy to assemble. You can have it set up in as little as 15 minutes, which is a real-time saver. And let's not forget about breathability. This chair is designed with a synthetic leather cover that promotes airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable even during long work or gaming sessions. As with any product, your mileage may vary. Some users have reported issues after a few months of use, such as problems with the chair lift and occasional peeling on the back. So, it's important to note that durability could be a concern. However, if you take good care of it, the SMUG gaming chair can last a long time and provide great value for its affordable price tag. Now, let's talk about the features that make this chair a winner. It strikes a balance between an office chair and a gaming chair, offering the body of the former and the aesthetics of the latter. You'll enjoy a high level of comfort thanks to the soft foam padding on the wide seat, which also allows for a bit more freedom of movement. The smooth rolling casters make it easy to move around your gaming room or office without leaving marks on the floor. The synthetic leather cover not only looks great but also ensures breathability, which is essential for those long work or gaming sessions. The chair can easily recline back, and it has a good bit of give, so you won't have to constantly readjust your position. The armrests are padded for extra comfort, and they can even slide away if you want more freedom of movement. Plus, let's not forget that it's simply an attractive-looking seat. Users have praised the surprising level of quality in the SMUG gaming chair's finish. Finally, coming in at number 1 is the Homall gaming chair. Now, this chair is worth the splurge, and here's why it made the cut as the best overall option in its price range. First off, it looks fantastic. It has that sleek, gamer aesthetic that we all love. Plus, it's built with great ergonomics in mind. Your comfort is a top priority with this chair. But what sets it apart from other budget gaming chairs is the fact that it comes with a footrest. Yeah, you heard me right. You can kick back and relax those feet while you're gaming. It's a small detail, but it really adds to the overall experience. The Homall gaming chair measures 33.5 inches in length, 20.6 inches in width, and 44.8 inches in height. It weighs around 40 pounds, so it's not too heavy to move around. And the best part, it can support a maximum weight of 300 pounds. That's pretty impressive for a chair in this price range. On the plus side, it has an attractive build quality. It just looks good, plain and simple. It also comes with a waist and headrest, which provide extra support and help you maintain good posture. And of course, we can't forget about that awesome footrest. But there are a couple of downsides to be aware of. Some users have reported that the chair may bend under heavier weights. While it claims to have a maximum capacity of 300 pounds, it seems that mobility issues and chair deterioration can occur with weights as low as 180 pounds. So, if you're on the heavier side, you might want to consider a sturdier model. Now, I should mention that even though the Homall gaming chair is technically a budget option, it's just barely under $100. So keep that in mind if you're looking for a super affordable option. However, what you're getting in terms of quality and features is definitely worth the price. And hey, if you're all about style, you'll be happy to know that the Homall gaming chair comes in 6 different colors. Whether you're into black, blue, purple, green, gray, or red, there's a color that'll suit your taste. So, if you're in the market for a gaming chair that won't break the bank, but still delivers on comfort and style, the Homall gaming chair is a solid choice. It's got the looks, the ergonomics, and that awesome footrest. Just be mindful of the weight limitations if you're on the heavier side. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.